It's not even recorded. That's why I was like. No, not yet, Kylie.
Why?
I want to get Max more.
How to get back more? Do you think it's gonna come to you back? Grace is gonna try and jump and get it. You better get higher.
Do it on the ground again.
It's around you already.
Oh, man. Grace, move. Come on, Max. Get it.
He's just gonna watch it. Max, come here. See, you're silly. Max is the silliest.
Sadie got it.
I can't stop laughing. Can I do it?
Get that part?
Huh?
Me chasing them?
I think so.
Batteries on the tail, right?
Kylie, I see you.
Daddy, Daddy, can I do it? Daddy, can I do it? I never got to do it. Can I? What?
Hang it!
Daddy, why can I not do it? Why can I not? Daddy, why can I not? Daddy, why can I not do it?
Because you got the dogs in there.
Well, can you let him in the house? Nothing!
What?
Oh, man, lean on the side.
We need some super glue.
Go, go! Yeah, Daddy, go! You're doing it!
The dead.
It's pretty close.
Is it dead? No.
I think this one's good.
Kylie.
Let me get the small one.
I want to do the small one.
Can't control the small one as good.
Can I do the small one?
Now with the dogs in the house,
When I
Kylie,
need to lay them
I
out.
see you.
we'll play with the small one tomorrow. You and me.
Sadie. Sadie. Pretty puppy.
Can I do it a little bit? Can I do it a little bit one
Where
time,
is the small
please?
one?
I don't know. Max.
There it is.
Max.
Back there. If you find it, you can find it.
Max.
Daddy, can I do the small one?
No.
Why?
Turn the light on in there. Will you turn the light on?
Off.
On. On. Turn your light on. No.
What light?
That light. No, turn the light back on. Both of them now.
Why does this one not?
Sadie, no! No!
Nope, there goes it. You little turd. Let go of it.
She keeps getting it.
Yeah.
Here, let me get it.
No. No.
Here.
Is it dead? They break it already?
Yeah, you know, it didn't stay in the air.
Yeah. Here.
Just a piece of junk. It's not nice.
Daddy, when it falls, I can do it for you.
Sounds like a mosquito.
No. Get back!
Stop, Sadie. Sadie.
Okay, do it.
This is a piece of junk.
Here.
Where are you going with it? Kylie?
I don't know why. It didn't want to.
It doesn't do it
It doesn't do it near as well.
Oh, well. We'll charge the other one and play with it.